everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. I'm Cassandra Thompson, your 30 something makeup loving and hair loving today normal gal making videos for other 30 somethings here on YouTube. And I wanted to do kind of a different video. This one is going to be how I do my hair in a week. And I'm realizing I'm sitting really close to you. How I do my hair in a week. So this is day 1 hair, and we'll go all the way through the 7 days. So you can see like different products I use, the progression that we get to the messy bun on top, all of that. Let me address 2 things first. Yes, there are dresses and stuff sitting back here. I see it. I'm in the middle of like decluttering, and I'm gonna Poshmark a bunch of stuff, so it's all over there. And I think you can still see the dress hanging there. I'm still debating between the 2 sizes from the anniversary sale dress, so they are sitting there to remind me that I have to try them on. So sorry for the clutter in the background. I'm in the middle of redoing some things. Now that that's done, so this is freshly shampooed day 1 hair, super straight. What I do is Living Proof Perfect Hair Day shampoo and conditioner, and then when I get out, I'm grabbing the products. When I get out, I put on Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 styling treatment. I love this. I've gone through bottles of this already. I think it's great. I use it while my hair is wet. I put it in. It can be used wet like that. It can be used as a styling cream on top afterwards, but I use it before, and then I rough blow dry, so just with a paddle brush, just kind of to get it dry. I don't worry about getting it straight. And then I flat iron it with my T3. I have the travel size, the compact one. I love it. And then I put a little bit of 7 Diamond Serum that smells like fig in my hair. I'm talking like not even a pea size amount. Very, very small. I still have this much left. This sucker lasts forever. I've had it over a year. So this is day 1. I will come back tomorrow with my day 2 hair and the products I use then. So I'll see you tomorrow. You'll see me in a second. Hi everyone, welcome to day 2. So this is day 2 hair, and sometimes things don't translate on camera. And my fan is still on, sorry. Sometimes things don't translate on camera, so I hope this translates. So, because sometimes like what looks good messy in person, on camera you're like, God, that's just bad hair. So, day 2 hair, what I do is I put Amika Perk Me Up dry shampoo, just on like roots, a little on the underneath side. I curled only the top layer with a 1-inch round brush. So I take a section, curl, take section, curl. Takes like 5 minutes. And then finger comb through it so it's not like tight curls, right? It's like that sort of a thing. And then I took Beach Club texture spray. Now the key is I did not get it on the roots. If you get it on, I'm so gonna regret not wearing sleeves. I didn't get it on the roots. So that's key, because this is really rough feeling, and I didn't want that up here for tomorrow's look. So I spray it down here, and then I just kind of like do this. You know, that technical move of this on both sides. And then my hair is so fine, it starts to fall a little bit. So I did put a little bit of hairspray in it. I'm not showing you because it really doesn't matter. I use 7 hairspray, same as the 7 oil I showed you yesterday. If your salon doesn't carry that, because it's pretty specific, you can order it online. But truly, like any fine mist hold hairspray will do it. So just use whichever one you like. But these 2 products are key. Much better. Still waiting to Poshmark those clothes back there. Anyway, so this is day 3 hair. It is just in a pony. I use, oh my gosh, I forgot to bring it in here. It'll make another appearance. I use the Perfect Hair Day, the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day dry shampoo. No one's surprised if you've watched any haul, any Sephora sale video. I get a lot of Living Proof dry shampoo, and I might have more coming because it is the best dry shampoo on the face of the planet. So the Amika one that I used yesterday, I got it because it was a deal and it smells amazing. So I like that one. It's very light. The Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo from Living Proof actually cleans your hair. It looks a little overly streaky pulled back today. I don't know, my highlights are like really showing up on camera, but I just put it in a high pony, very Barbie doll-esque. Not that I look like a Barbie, just the ponytail is Barbie doll-esque. And that's it. So it's back and that's it. And tomorrow will be easy breezy hair with a little zhuzh. I'll tell you later. See you tomorrow. A second for you, a day for me. Good morning, or midday or whatever for you. So this is my easy like wash and go hair. So washed it this morning, right? So we're on a new day one. And when I was done, I brush it out, or I comb it out with the Eco Tools wet brush. That is the only wet brush I found that I really like. So it's the Eco Tools wet brush. I'll leave a link below. Then I put a generous amount of the Redken No Blow Dry cream in my hair. So this is the one that you're supposed to, it's the airy cream. It's supposed to be no blow dry. You just put it in your hair and go. That on its own does not work for me. I then add, I like discovered, this is my perfect combo. I discovered this about a couple weeks ago. This is the Verb Sea Spray. It's windswept waves and light dry texture. It smells like the puffy stickers we had when we were kids. I think they were going for ocean or like marine. It doesn't smell like that for me. But I like the smell. It's nostalgic to me. I'm okay with it. So it adds some wave and a little bit of texture, but it's not crunchy. So it's amazing. So this, and as the day, you can see, like I can give it more volume. I can kind of like separate it out and build that up a little bit. I don't know how it's coming across on camera. I feel like it might look a little more messy than what it actually is, but I can just go like this, like on a normal day, on a, you know, I'm just taking some meetings, doing my regular job. I could go like this and be good. Now I have to go speak to faculty today, so I'm gonna zhuzh it up a little bit. I'm gonna go back and take my 1-inch curling iron and just add a couple of pieces, 5 minutes on top. But I could just leave it like this. Like if I were just for the day, I would do this. It just looks like a good beachy wave. So I'm gonna finish getting ready and then I will come back and show you that. And if you're curious about the eye look, it came out of the Swear By It, and I think I'm gonna start my look a day. It's been real busy. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna give tutorials for you on that, but I'll update you soon. You might know by the time this comes out. Now I'm rambling, but I will definitely do a tutorial on this eye look. It might be on Instagram, so follow me at Cass Thompson Beauty on Instagram. It's also in the description box below. I might start doing IGTV and just doing tutorials there. What are your thoughts? Okay, see you in a couple of seconds. Okay, we're back one more time. So I added some curls just to the top. One side always curls better than the other, but you can see from this, there's just like a little more body. It's a little more put together looking, changed into what I'm wearing for work. So that's it, just a couple curls. I'm not doing anything else on top, no hairspray, anything like that. This is it, good to go for the day. Okay, so this is day 5. So it is just, it's too tall. It's just hair up in a big messy bun day. Big messy bun day. It's Saturday. Also, notice it's different behind me. TaskRabbit is coming in a couple minutes to put up new pretty shelves, but I didn't know if they'd be done in time to film this, so you get ugly background today. But big messy bun, high on the head. Day 5. And oh, all I used was some Amika dry shampoo. Kind of brushed it out, fluffed it up, and then let the chips fall where they may. So day 5. Hello. So you can see still the stuff to be Poshmarked. You guys, it's gonna happen. And you can see the new backgrounds coming together. Still playing with it, but I can't talk. We're getting there. Anyway, so this is day 6. What I do is I flatten it. Guys, I use a flat iron, and then I take my 1-inch curling iron and I just curl like real loosely top pieces, both going like not clamping the barrel and going over, and then a couple clamping the barrel and doing it that way, just on that top layer. And I do it real loose and long, and then I pull, and so we just get a little bit of like wavy texture. Okay, but there's no product in it, none, because the night before, so last night, I did my like deep cleansing and deep conditioning ritual. Every weekend this is what I do. So I put first I use my Christoph Robin, where's the English, cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. This looks like it's a scrub. Oh my gosh, if I can open it and not spill it. It looks like it's a body scrub, but it's not. It's got sea salt in it, and it's scrub for your hair. This is a holy grail product. I will not, I can't get the lid back on. I will not be changing from this product. I know Briogeo makes some sort of version of this too. This is expensive. This is over $50, but I've had it a year and I still have half left. So this is gonna last, or I've had it 9 months. I've had it 9 months. So this will last me at least a year. So it's about $1 per use. I can deal with that because it is the best thing ever. Then I am right now using as my deep conditioning mask the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. So that's this. This for me came in a FabFitFun. I tried it before from an Ipsy or Sephora Play, and I like it. When I tried it, then I was like, oh, I really like this. This is good. I get why everyone's raving about it. I do like it. It's good. I'm going to finish it up. I think there are better ones out there. I like my Redken All Soft Deep Conditioner better than this. And it's way more affordable and probably twice the size in a bottle. I like the Moroccan Oil Mask. Is pretty spectacular. I might go back to that one. But it's still good. So this is what I'm using now, and then putting this in my hair. And then I just realized I will not be here tomorrow to show you day 7 in this setting. So let me just tell you, day 7 will be a ponytail of this. It's just going to be a ponytail. So that is day 7. So that is all 7 days. Hope you enjoyed this kind of like walk through my week of hair and the products I use. If you have any questions, leave them below. Tell me in the comments, what is your hair routine? Like, I think we all have one. So let me know. What's your weekly hair routine, or what's your favorite product? Let me know. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want more hair videos too, let me know. Yeah, the thumbs up lets me know that you want more of this. I just said let me know like 18 times. Okay, sorry. It's been a morning, y'all. But with that, we are done for the day. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you know about other videos coming up. And right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.